What's difficult to see from the left side, and the riders are a bit slow to get their feet off the ground, but this is racing, you have to always be ready. Steven able to slip by Zen and take his second place position away from him. In first place position is Lianya with the blue and yellow leathers, one of the best racers in the world. Amazing racer, enjoys the thrill of battle. First place position, second Steven, third place Zen Lee, fourth place Antu in the red leathers, fifth place Julio. We are a really tight pack right now. Psycho has a long ways to go if he wants to get a podium, but if anybody can do it, it's Psycho. He had the fastest time in the time trials, and he's running a knobby tire. His totally unique style with the sliders is amazing to behold. And there he passes Aymar on his left, moving into ninth place position. In front of Psycho is the Jackal on his Sherman S. Psycho takes the corner perfectly. S links as well as Antu, both of them the only two with 50 S linkses, and they're gonna need all the help they can get because the lead between second and first is growing. Zen Lee steps it up a bit, trying to close the gap between Steven and himself. His strategy for this race was to start slow and build the tempo as the laps progress. Lianya has built quite the lead. Zen Lee really wants that first place podium. He's never had one in all his 7. Zen Lee powers up for lap number 4. Meanwhile, Psycho still battling with Peter, gets the pass, clean pass. He's also moving on to lap number 4, but Peter comes back around. This is an epic battle between these two. Peter on the inside, Psycho comes back around, slips up a bit, and Peter takes his 6th place position back. The Psycho's not giving up, looking for any opportunity to slip by, and he does, moving into 6th. Zen boosting it out. Lianya barely a speck on his screen. Zen boosting it out, gets a bit of wobbles before the turn. You have to brake really hard before this turn, wobbling hard. Zen though closing the gap and extending the distance between 3rd and 2nd. Zen making progress. He is running with this lead, loves being in the front. Getting a bit of wobble still because he's boosting it out so hard. Lianya is in pursuit though, pads all fixed up and not letting Zen Lee break away, keeping the distance close. They are moving on to lap number 8. Zen praying to the gods that he gets the first place here, but there are 4 more laps to go. He cannot make any mistakes. Now we get into the drone shots from Taz, some epic FPV flying that's going to capture this intense battle between Lianya and Zen Lee. This is a candidate for one of the best battles in EUC history. Zen in the front. Lianya comes in a bit too hot. Zen jukes around, takes the curb tight, and then comes wide. Lianya really enjoying the moment, really enjoying the battle, the back and forth fray. Zen Lee is in the Zen zone, all his attention in racing, no energy left for cheering. He's totally focused on this win, wanting nothing more than that first place podium, but he's getting tired, coming a bit too wide on his turns. You can tell exhaustion starting to set in. This is a 12-lap race, and Lianya is pressing him at every corner, not giving him any opportunity to rest. They almost collide there. You can see Psycho has crept up and is challenging Antu for the 4th place position. Steven's in 3rd, but Lianya and Zen are still in a league of their own, far in front of 3rd, 4th place positions. Zen barely clinging to his lead, getting the double beeps on his links, trying to create some sort of gap between him and Lianya, but Lianya not giving him any space, not relenting. If you are enjoying this battle, this epic race between Lianya and Zen and the whole championship in general, smash that like button, leave a comment. This is his only opportunity. 1 more lap to go. We are moving into the final lap of the race. Zen Lee giving it all, but will it be enough? He's exhausted, and Lianya is running the perfect race. Psycho has Antu in his sights and is gunning for his 3rd place position, but Antu takes the turn tight, cutting Psycho off his line, and Psycho comes off his wheel. Steven is quick to pass by into 4th. A huge mistake for Psycho as he moves on into his final lap. That is the dream. Building circuits that are like roller coasters with neon lights and drones flying through loops and recording at the same time could turn into something magical. The social media links to all the racers who gave me footage will be in the description, as well as the videographer and drone pilots who made this video possible. Thank you guys. This was an epic event, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A big shout out to my sponsor and to my team, One Ride. Great job. I look forward to the next one. Gracias, that's electric. One Ride. Gracias, One Ride, my team. And until next time, stay in the Zen Zone.